Nursery, Miss King here again. Do you remember those leaf prints we did yesterday? Well, today I'm going to show you how we're going to turn them into a leaf crown. Here are all the leaves we printed yesterday. I've cut mine out. Have you cut yours out? Next, you need a piece of card or a piece of paper. Folding down the long end, we'll need to cut out 2 strips from this with some scissors. Now, be careful because scissors can be sharp. You might want to get a grown-up to help you. I'm carefully cutting out my folded over strip. This will give me 2 equal strips of card. We're going to use this to make the band. Cut down your folded line, making 2 equal strips. Put one strip over another and sellotape them down. You can use glue for this as well. Fit the band around your head till it feels comfortable. Hold on to it, then fix it together with a bit of sellotape. I'm using glue for this bit. Put some glue on your band and begin to stick your leaves on. Try using the taller ones first, spacing mine out and putting them all around the outside like this. Okay, to stick them over the top of each other, making different layers and giving it a greater texture. Filled up all the gaps pretty much, only the last few to stick on now. Save the silver ones to the end. Look, all finished. Once you've stuck all your leaves on, try wearing it. You can be leaf king or queen for the day. We've made our leaf crowns nursery. Well done everybody. Goodbye.